telling us all about Webb Orthodontics.
Thank you so much. So we are Webb Orthodontics Wyoming. We are here to serve you guys and help build orthodontic care that we want to wire for excellence. I want to introduce you to Dr. Moeller. He is our Wyoming orthodontist. I'll let him have some words, but we would encourage our community to come visit our brand new office. We can give you a tour. We give complimentary exams, and we look forward to being involved in the community, children's activities. A lot of military would like to come visit with us too. So yeah, Dr. Moeller, go ahead and take it over.
Yeah, we're just really excited to kind of be in the community and help build relationships, because that's what it's about. So we're just really excited to be here and do what we can to make this community better and do our part. So thank you all for being here and welcoming us to Cheyenne. We're just really glad to be here.
I want to introduce you to some of our team. This is Ashlyn. She's an ortho tech here, she's from Cheyenne. And then Tia and Sydney are from Torrington. They travel down with Dr. Moeller. They are also ortho techs. We have Karen, our TC, also. So please come visit us in our brand new office. We'll give you a tour, schedule an exam. And we just want to thank our patients that are committed to us to wire for excellence and the dedication that they give to us in our office in sharing the word of Webb Orthodontics.
Thank you. Well done, right?
Yep. If I could give somebody my phone just to take some photos of us for us,
Sure.
if that you wouldn't mind.
And we'll do the ribbon cutting.
Questions?
Questions, yes. Do you guys have questions?
I am short, so I gotta go around, I'm sorry.
So how did you come up with the design for the office? I've gone to your website and have looked at the facility, and it looks really nice.
Yeah, well, thank you. Actually, I can't take a lot of credit for that. Dr. Sammy Webb really kind of handled most of the design aspect of it. But the sports theme's always big. And I played some college basketball at Eastern Wyoming College, so the sports theme would just kind of fit in, and it all kind of goes around kind of that teamwork mentality, which is huge for our team as we kind of treat our patients and things. So it just makes it kind of a fun environment, and kind of just really embodies kind of what we're all about.
Well, it's really well done, so kudos.
And if anybody would like to stay after, I can give you guys a tour so you can see what we have. We have an in-house lab here in the office. And then this is Karen, our treatment coordinator. I'm sorry that we missed getting to introduce her. So,
how many locations do you have?
So in Wyoming we have two. We have the Cheyenne office and we have the Torrington office. And then the Nebraska locations, there's 4. There's Scottsbluff, Alliance, Shatter, and Sydney.
And how many doctors?
2. Yeah. So I mainly work in the Wyoming offices. So I'm here because I live in Wyoming. This is the community I want to serve. So I work in the Wyoming offices, and Dr. Webb pretty much kind of handles the Nebraska side.
So how many days a week are you here?
We are here 2 to 3 days a week, and then in the Torrington office 1 day a week.
So do you do adults as well as children?
We do, yeah. Actually, we see quite a few adults, and orthodontics is actually getting a lot more popular with adults nowadays. With different options that we have for aesthetic orthodontics, it has really kind of opened the door for adults really kind of pursuing orthodontics more. So, such as clear braces or Invisalign, things like that, which just makes it a little bit more, I guess, appealing for adults. So.
the AAO recommends that we start seeing children at the age 7 and up. So there's really no age limit for orthodontics once you're at the age 7 and up.
Do you take insurance?
We do. We take all orthodontic insurance as long as you have an orthodontic benefit. We have in-house financing, and we do no credit check. We have a great social media program running on our Facebook and Instagram. If you guys would like to follow us on any of those platforms, then we also have incentives. As you can see behind the girls, we have excellent contests to celebrate our kids. Some sports themes. Right now, our incentive is for 10 free flights to iFly down in Denver. We just are always encouraging our kids or the patients and their families. We want to support them and celebrate them every day that they come into our office.
Well, I was very excited to see the content, because it said how many balls are in there, and I'm like, one, I got it.
Oh, yeah.
And then Natalie went around the corner and brought out the,
Had to ruin our fun.
kind of crushed my whole thing.
Yeah, you'd be surprised. I have about 33 patients every day that are practicing math skills on that basketball. Yeah, so.
Do you treat TMJ?
We do, yeah. It kind of depends on severity as far as that goes, but yeah, I've taken a lot of kind of continuing education. It's really important to me on kind of TMJ, so I am comfortable in treating that. Yes.
Okay, any other questions? Guess we'll cut that ribbon.
Hey.
Did you hear that?
Grab the.
Yeah. Well, that's 'cause I can't hear it.
I think we're just gonna go in front of the web sign, it'll be like a little bit better.
Swingers.
Get out.
What does TM